welcome back to my channel for a very quick and money maker CVS run. I'm going to pick up the Scope mouthwash on sale for $4.99. We don't have any digital coupon for this item, but when you buy one, you get $3 extra care box back. And I'm also going to pick up the Crest Densify on sale for $8.99, and it's part of the buy two get $5 back limit of 2. And to complete this deal, I'll pick up the Crest Brilliance on sale for $8.99. This is what my transaction will look like, and the total for these 3 items will be $22.97. We have two $4 digital coupon that is attaching to the Crest toothpaste. For the Scope, we don't have any coupon, and I also have a 4 off 20 Crest CRT that will work with this deal. The 2 digital coupons and the CRT will take off $12, leaving me to pay just $10.97. I'll get $5 for doing the Crest deal and $3 for buying the Scope mouthwash. Then I'm going to submit my receipt to Ibotta for $5 back for buying the toothpaste. It's just a limit of 1. And for the Scope mouthwash, I'll get $1 back from Ibotta, which will make this transaction free and $3.03 money maker. We do have a 5 off 2 digital coupon for this Crest toothpaste that was working last week, which I have in this account, but that didn't come off. Only the 2 $4 coupons came off. I just wanted to mention that. And this concludes this small haul. Thank you all for all your support. Thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.